It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, we're going to be changing the filter in your home unit. We recommend to do this every 6 months to 1 year. We realize that the water quality here, at least in the United States, is not good water. So the more often that you change it, the better quality water you're going to get. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this, but at least once a year, minimum once a year. Okay, so you're just going to take the side compartment off here. I'll go ahead and show you. And now, it is a good idea to maybe get 2 people on this. If you have a tool, it is a little bit more challenging, especially the very first time. It's just never been used before. So you want to push it down, and then you want to twist. And you'll notice that it's going to take just a little bit of effort, a little wiggle, but you don't want to force it, because if you do force it, it will break. So there you are. Suction. So it's on there. That's how you're going to do it. And then you're going to just put the new one right back in its place. And then just get it in its grooves here. And once you got it in the groove, you should be good to go. Place this back on. Okay, and then from the front, how you're going to reset it on the machine, make sure it's plugged in. You're just going to go ahead and tap the on button here, and you're going to hold the purified button. When you do that, you're going to notice it's going to flash. This is going up and this is going down. So we recommend you go about 6,000 to 7,000 liters so that it knows to prompt you when it's time. So we'll go ahead and go to 7,000 here. And then you can go ahead and push the purify button one more time and to exit out of the screen, and now it is calibrated for you. So this is how you change the filter in your home unit.